big game. When it's a big game for me, I just tell myself, you just go out there and do your best, do everything you can, and yeah, the game will take it from. Before I go out to warm up, I pray. I video call my girl to see my daughter first and my parents. I think that's a difficult challenge for me as a young player. Be away from my family a lot, especially my daughter, but you know, that's football. I want to be at the highest level, so you need to do these things. But I think the video call and the message is very important, plays a big role in my life.
Jayden Adams' partner paid emotional tribute after Bafana Bafana star's tragic death. Just weeks ago, Akwiela Adendorf was celebrating one of the proudest moments of her life as she watched the man she loved fulfill a lifelong dream on football's biggest stage. Today, she's left grieving an unimaginable loss following the tragic death of Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jayden Adams at the age of 25. Adendorf has shared a deeply emotional tribute to the man she described as her soulmate, greatest supporter, and best friend. Her heartfelt message, posted on social media just hours after news of Adam's death emerged, has touched thousands of South Africans, offering a glimpse into the profound heartbreaking behind the public tragedy. She wrote, "There are no words to describe the pain I'm feeling. Rest in peace, my love. Thank you for every memory, every laugh, every hug, and every moment we shared. You were not only the love of my life, but also my greatest supporter and my best friend." She continued by revealing that a part of her heart had left with Adams. "I said, a piece of my heart left with you. I'll carry your love with me forever. Until we meet again, I'll miss you every single day. Rest easy, my angel. I love you always and forever." The emotional tribute has since been inundated with messages of comfort from grieving supporters, fellow football fans, and friends, many offering prayers and words of encouragement as Adendorf faces life without her longtime partner. The timing of the tragedy has made it all the more devastating. Only weeks earlier, Adendorf had proudly cheered Adams as he represented South Africa at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, a milestone that marked the pinnacle of his rapidly rising football career. Ahead of Bafana Bafana's opening match against Mexico, she shared a touching message expressing her pride and unwavering belief in him and said, "Good luck with the World Cup, my love. I am so proud of you and everything you've worked for to get here. Get out there, enjoy every moment, and show the world what you are capable of. No matter what happens, I'll always be your biggest supporter. Wishing you success, confidence, and an unforgettable tournament. I love you and can't wait to cheer you on." She later added a light-hearted message that reflected the closeness of their relationship and said, "Sleeping on a pillow tonight because someone's chest is too far away." Those posts, filled with an excitement and optimism, have now become painful reminders of happier days. Adendorf and Adams had been together for several years and shared a 5-year-old daughter who was at the center of their family life. Throughout Adams' football journey, Adendorf remained one of the biggest supporters, regularly celebrating his achievement and standing by him through every stage of his career. Their relationship was built on mutual admiration. Adams often spoke publicly about the important role she played in his life, describing her as more than just his partner. He affectionately referred to Adendorf as his best girlfriend, supporter, and best friend, words that now carry even greater emotional weight following his passing. When Adams secured a dream move from Stellenbosch FC to Mamelodi Sundowns in January 2025, one of the biggest transfers of his career, he revealed that the decision was first discussed with Adendorf and their daughter. It was a reflection of the close-knit family they had built together and the value he placed on their support before making life-changing decisions. As news of Adam's death spread across the country, thousands of supporters turned their attention not only to mourning the talented footballer, but also to comforting the family he leaves behind. Adendorf's tribute quickly attracted an outpouring of sympathy. Many supporters described her message as heartbreaking, while others shared prayers and messages of strength. One supporter wrote, "Stay strong, so sorry for your loss." Another one added, "Strong, mama." The flood of condolences reflected the impact Adams had, both on and off the football field. Adams died on Saturday, just weeks after returning from the FIFA World Cup with Bafana Bafana. The circumstances surrounding his death remain under investigation. According to police officers were called to a property in Military Road, Scotchcliffe, Cape Town, at approximately 11 a.m. after the discovery of the footballer's body. Western Cape Police spokesperson Captain FC Van Wyk confirmed that an inquest docket had been opened, and said Cape Town Central Police Station registered an inquest for investigation following the discovery of the body of a 25-year-old male at a premises in Military Road, Scotchcliffe. Circumstances surrounding the incidents are under investigation. Authorities have not yet disclosed the cause of death, and investigations are continuing. Tributes have continued to pour in from across South African football and beyond, with teammates, clubs, supporters, and public figures remembering Adams as an exceptional footballer and a humble individual. Among those paying tributes was Sports, Arts and Culture Minister Gayton McKenzie, who shared an emotional video embracing the midfielder and said, "Rest in peace, my precious boy." Adams had established himself as one of South Africa's brightest football talents, earning admiration through his performances for Stellenbosch FC before completing a high-profile move to Mamelodi Sundowns. His impressive displays also cemented his place in the national team, culminating in the honor of representing South Africa at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, a dream achieved after years of dedication and sacrifice. While South Africa mourns the loss of one of its most gifted young footballers, no one feels that absence more profoundly than the woman who shared his life. For Adendorf, the tragedy is not only the loss of a celebrated athlete, but of the man she planned to spend her future with, the father of their daughter, and the person she called her greatest supporter and closest friend. Her final words to Adams have become one of the defining images of the nation's grief. "Until we meet again, I'll miss you every single day. Rest easy, my angel. I love you always and forever." May his soul rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.